Good morning students. Welcome to PPS English class, grade KG. I am Navneet. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to do English work. In English work, sound of U. So let's start. Firstly write C U T cut. CUT cut. Next one is HUT hut. HUT hut. Next one is BUT but. BUT but. Now NUT nut. NUT nut. Next one is RUN run. RUN run. Next sound word is SUN sun. SUN sun. Now FUN fun. FUN fun. Students, always speak and write. Next one is BUN bun. Now JUG jug. JUG jug. This is the last sound. CUP cup. CUP cup. So students, you have to do one page of sound of U. Write 2 times on one page. Learn it also. Thank you. Have a nice day.